Are you ready to say goodbye to your old, tired, dated countertops? Is your tile grout cracking or your Corian looking like the 1990s never left? Or perhaps that granite that was all the rage 20 years ago now looks, well, 20 years old. Hi there, I'm Scott Monday, co-founder and CEO of KitchenCRATE, and today I wanted to take you on a little bit of a journey through our KitchenCRATE tops and splash process. Now, KitchenCRATE tops and splash is for customers that are looking for just that. New countertops, new backsplash, new plumbing, really just a simple scope of work that we can get in and out in just a week or so and produce amazing results that also add to the value of your home. Now, what makes KitchenCRATE unique is on projects like this, it's only our crews at work. There's no subcontractors, there's no missed deadlines, there's no strangers in your home. It's the Crate team doing the project for you from start to finish. So let's jump in on the KitchenCRATE tops and splash journey. The first step in your journey is your phone consultation with a member of the Crate staff. During this call, we'll chat about your project scope, understand your remodel needs, review the approximate time frame and budget for your project, and set up your free in-home consultation. The next step is your free in-home consultation. We'll start this meeting by chatting a bit about your project expectations and answering any and all questions you might have about the Crate team and process. You must be confident we can execute on your project, so we don't rush right in. We like to dialogue to make sure we are the best fit for your project, and will leave you 100% satisfied upon project completion. We then transition to the data gathering phase of our meeting, wherein we take extensive measurements of your kitchen, ask quite a few questions about your preferences, take copious amounts of photos for our internal use, and memorialize all of this in an extensive project launch notebook and a detailed diagram. Before departing, we'll schedule your next meeting, then come back to the office and get right to work on generating your proposal. A short while later, we'll come back to your home to review your proposal together. And believe me, this is no back of the napkin proposal. Instead, our team assembles a complete proposal folder, including a cover letter, a line-by-line price breakdown, specifications for each item within the proposal, and even a sample schedule and insurance certificate for your review. Should you elect to move forward, we'll set up your material selection meeting and we're off to the races. Perhaps one of the more favored meetings of the process is the material selection meeting, also referred to as your design meeting. For this meeting, we'll take a field trip to one of our local material suppliers, all of whom we've worked with for years. They indeed are our partners in these projects. During this meeting, we'll look at, touch, inspect, and discuss an assortment of materials live and in person. Items like countertop and backsplash materials are critical to the finished product, so we want to be sure that you see them in person and understand the advantages and challenges with each material. Once selections are made, our team records the choices in a very detailed project data sheet, ensuring we get things just right on your project. A few weeks before your renovation starts, your project manager will conduct a pre-construction or launch meeting with you via telephone. During this call, such critical items as your final project schedule, access to the home, pets, home protection, and the like are discussed. We feel it's best to review these items well before the project starts so we can tailor our system to your household's specific needs. Right around the same time, your project materials are delivered to our fabrication facility, where they are unloaded, inspected, and placed on our slab display racks in anticipation of your project starting. Now that all pre-construction tasks are complete, it's time to start your renovation. On day one, the team will arrive promptly and get right to work. First, your project manager will review your project data sheet and launch meeting notes with the field team, ensuring all involved are on the same page. Then the team will get to work protecting your home, including dust control, floor protection, and removal and protection of your appliances. Once the work area is fully protected, demolition and off-haul begin. A day or so later, we'll host you at our fabrication facility for a template layout meeting. During this meeting, you'll work with our fabrication team to ensure your countertop slabs are oriented and seamed just the way you want them. While our team will provide significant guidance and recommendations during this process, each customer has their unique preferences, and we want to respect your decision-making desires to the utmost. Once the template layout is complete, our team gets to work cutting your slabs into the exact shape needed for your kitchen. While much of this cutting is automated, we also sprinkle in quite a bit of manual oversight and adjustment, as countertop fabrication is equal parts art and automation. In addition, custom techniques like waterfalling and back beveling are used to deliver a gorgeous, finished product. After cutting is complete, the fabrication team begins the assembly phase of your project. It's during this phase that the countertop edges are applied, epoxied, and polished, your sink cutouts are made, and your countertop really begins to take shape. With over 70 years of cumulative fabrication experience, our fabrication staff has seen it all, and they apply this wealth of knowledge to every job. Now that the fabrication is complete, your countertop is loaded up and on its way to your home. After all the time and effort put into fabrication, the installation is comparatively short. Our team begins by checking your layout, and then they cut the necessary holes in your plywood deck. Then the fun begins as your countertop, often weighing in at over 500 pounds for larger pieces, is brought into the home with a great deal of care and skill. This commences the placement, adjustment, and seaming process, culminating in beautiful new countertops, an undermount sink, and a project ready for backsplash. Our skilled tile artisans will arrive the following day, protecting your new countertops with specially treated paper, and commence work on your backsplash. While to the untrained eye, tile installation can look relatively simple, especially at a backsplash, it's anything but. Each piece of tile is hand-placed to ensure proper spacing and depth, and each outlet and switch is custom cut for adequate coverage. Once the tile is set, the grout is applied, the project cleaned up, and the crate technicians are on their way to finish things up. The final phase of your project is plumbing and electrical installation. During this phase, our team of technicians accomplishes such tasks as faucet and garbage disposal installation, replacement of the outlets and switches at the backsplash, and complete cleanup of the project occurs. And with that, your job is complete. So there you go. That's the KitchenCRATE tops and splash journey from start to finish. Thank you so much for following along with me. One thing nice about Kitchen and Bath Crate is at the end of the project, when all is said and done and everything meets your approval, you can rest knowing that you also have an industry-leading warranty. For 2 years, we'll warranty your entire project, so not only can you enjoy the new space, but you can also know that you have KitchenCRATE at your service for years to come. If you'd like more information, give us a call at 888-995-7996 or go to kbcrate.com where you can see a ton of past projects or schedule your in-home consultation. Thanks so much for watching.